In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix AliExpress locked account. If your AliExpress account is suddenly locked, don't panic. These locks are usually triggered by security checks, unusual login behavior, or network issues, and many can be resolved quickly with a few simple steps. Start with the quick wins. Turn off any VPN or proxy you're using. AliExpress can flag connections that look like they're coming from different countries or anonymized networks. Next, clear your browser's cache and cookies to remove old session data that might be causing login loops. Then try signing in with a different browser or switch to the AliExpress mobile app if you were on desktop. If nothing changes, give it some time. Temporary locks often lift themselves within 24 to 48 hours, so waiting can be surprisingly effective. If you're prompted to verify your identity, follow that flow carefully. Log in as usual, then complete the on-screen verification. Confirm your email address, enter the one-time code sent to your phone, and, if requested, confirm the last digits of a saved payment method. Do this on the same device and network you normally use with AliExpress, since that consistency helps their system recognize you. Make sure you have access to your email and phone before starting, and enter codes promptly because they typically expire fast. If the lock seems tied to login security, reset your password. Use the Forgot Password option, choose email or phone to receive the reset link or code, create a strong new password, and then try logging in again. Aim for a password that's unique and hard to guess, and avoid reusing passwords from other sites. If your account is still locked after that, reach out to AliExpress customer service. Go to the Help Center, select Account, then Account Locked, and choose Chat with Agent for the fastest response. Be clear and concise. Explain that your account is locked, you'd like it reviewed and unlocked, and you're ready to verify ownership. You can use a message like this: "Hello, my AliExpress account is locked due to security reasons. I believe this may be a mistake. I am the rightful owner and willing to verify my identity. Please help unlock my account. Thank you." For more serious restrictions, you may be asked to submit an appeal. That can include uploading a government ID or proof of payment and confirming recent orders. Processing typically takes 3 to 7 business days. Ensure any photos are clear and that your account details match your documents to avoid delays. Follow these steps in order, stay patient, and you should be back into your account soon.